Hello guys, how's it going? Alex the Grampian here today. Hope you're well. Today I got a quick video for you on my new tire inflator from the Wolfbox. So this is MegaFlow 24 Pro. This is a very robust and well designed tire inflator. It's very compact and comes with the case as well. Nice LCD display, easy to use. It's really quick as well. It's quick to charge, quick to inflate the tire. It's portable. Obviously the market has been getting much better at these portable tire inflators, and they're also getting a lot quicker as well. Now I'm going to demonstrate that to you today. If that is something you're interested in, please tune in guys, and let's get started. And as per usual guys, the link will be in the description below to this product with the cheapest price, and if I can't get any discounts then I'll make sure that I'll put them in there as well. Right, so this is just quick unboxing. As you can see, it's well presented box. So you got air compressor and tire inflator, 150 psi. So at the back you can see the extra function of this is that it's actually a quick charging station as well. So you got rapid inflation, high volume and LED display that I'm going to introduce to you in a second. Right, so to unbox it, nice and easy. It comes with the carrier case, which is a massive bonus. Like I said, the unit is designed to have in your vehicle, in the boot. I usually have one of them in my boot in all of my cars. So just unzip it. It's well packed, well protected. There we got the unit. I obviously used it, but I've just repackaged it for the purpose of this video. It is actually quite a big unit compared to some of the ones I've used in the past, but it has got a good battery in it. It's got a good circuit board as well with a lot of controls. So as you can see, it's a see-through box, which is pretty cool actually. So you got the brand there, you got the buttons, 5 buttons. So at the top you got your light there that you can activate obviously by pressing the button. Then you got the tire inflator connection there, and you got your input from the vehicle from your cigarette light to connect there as well. At the bottom you have got USB-C port there, as you can see, and obviously all the air intake is at the top and bottom for the pump. Now you got your manual there that you can see. I definitely recommend going through that. You have got your tire inflator connection there, so that just screws to the top, nice and easy, and the other bit goes into your tire valve on your vehicle. Then you have got your cigarette lighter connection that goes into the top of the unit there that I showed previously. And you have got your USB-C connection for obviously charging the unit at the bottom there, or charging your phone as well. This is the bit that obviously charges it as well through your cigarette light. And then you got the adapters, spare fuse in here, and you also got your football ball adapter there, or basketball ball. Right guys, so to turn the unit on, just press the power button, press and hold it, the LCD will come on, as you can see there. Now on here you can see the full battery. I do recommend charging the unit fully before start using it for the first time. You got the vehicle symbol there, preset PSI for the vehicle, and obviously the symbol, what reading you're getting, PSI, bar, and etc. You got 4 different readings there, and as you can see the M button moves it to the bike 34, so then you got bicycle 30, and then you got football ball, basketball ball 8 psi, and then one without symbols is 120, which is the max you can go up to on this unit. So we're going to put it on the car because that's what I'm going to do today. And also a great thing about this unit, you can set up the psi you want. So I'm just going down now, pressing hold, it goes quicker. Adjust it to the psi you want, and when you connect to the vehicle it will show the tire pressure on here, what it currently has. So you press the power button, it starts going, and it stops automatically when it reaches 32 psi, which is really handy, so you can just leave it there. So obviously to start the pump, literally just press the power button and off it goes. Make sure you tighten it up properly at the unit and also at the tire valve, but I'm going to show you that now anyway. Right guys, I do apologise for the light. I will go outside but it's raining there. So all you have to do is turn the unit on. So it's on 36 psi. I'm gonna connect that to the tire valve. It will leak a little bit, that's normal while you're connecting. So make sure you tighten it up so it stops leaking. There we are, you should get the reading by now. So I've dropped the tire pressure on the tire just to show you how quick the tool is. So we're currently on 26 psi. That's what we actually got in the tire, and we're gonna let it go up to 36. Or if you want, just for a little bit of difference, we're gonna put it to 35, just so you can see the adjustments. So you're gonna press it on, leave the live recording so you can see how quickly it's gonna fill it up. This is a normal tire. This is our Q3. It's 18-inch rim, and yeah, just average size. Just gonna show you how it goes. There you go. So as you can see, it took a while to start up, to start going up. It's because the unit itself takes a while to read the pressure once it starts pumping. And as you can see here, we went completely on 35, and obviously got some safe values there that it stopped completely on 35, so that's spot on. But obviously the number jumped quickly. So yeah, as you can see, this is how long it took to pump basically 10 psi in the 18-inch tire. So that's pretty good, I would say, compared to some of the other pumps that I've used in the past. That is a lot quicker, to be honest. Right guys, so that's that. Easy to operate. I took the hose off. Now what I wanted to show you quickly, because I don't want to make this video too long, is just literally the other thing, which is charging your phone. So the battery, I know you might have noticed that the battery dropped 1 bar there, but I didn't just use it for one tire. I did use the tool previously, obviously before filming this, after fully charging it, so it does last a bit longer than that. So it only dropped the 1 bar, to be honest, so it's not too bad. So now I'm just going to show you quickly how it works on the phone. So there you go, plugged it in, and it's super fast charging, 25 minutes until full, and the phone is currently on 80%. So to store it away, nice and easy, just turn it off, press and hold, power off. And there you are, ready to put it in the boot of your vehicle. Right guys, so here we are. I hope you enjoyed the quick video on the tire inflator. Like I said, it's really easy, chuck in your boot, you got nice case, quick pump, comparing to some of the others that I've used so far. Like I say, every day they're improving them and there's new models coming out. But the link in the description below for this one, please do check it out. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give us a comment, give us a like and subscribe to my channel. Have a good day, see you later, bye.